probably the best as an average option that we can, like, if we have to force it on all of the American public, it's probably the best option that we have, because everyone else is too, they're just
Yeah, but at
too
like
many,
at certain stages in life, it's not the best option. Because I think the issue we're running into now is I think we've seen a lot of the negative effects of all of the external damages that pushing home ownership has cost us. In terms of now Florida is trying to get rid of property tax. California has no property tax basically. Zoning in certain cities is fucking massive. Certain cities are unlivable. States are freaking out. Moving and fleeing. There's like California, New York, and other states right now. There's massive increases in property prices and everything. So I don't know what it is. Like probably listen to it to the federal government, not to the state government, or not to the local city, municipality, or whatever.
I think they do some stuff. I mean, I know that there's some weird shit with like a state. Even on a statewide, you have state senators, and don't they do kind of similar shit?
Yeah, but
that's
like
like
for the state. When you say state senators, you mean like the state government, like they advocate. But I'm just saying, like our representatives